Guys, in today's video I would like to show us how we can change our email on Athene network application. Let's dive in. You first of all log into your Athene network applications here, and then you click on the setting icon on the app. You see the icon on the top here. Click on the setting icon, then you see you'll be taken to your profile where you have your profile information. So under there you see where it says change email. You can equally change your password from here as well, and you can turn on the two-factor authentication from this page as well. You can see all the instructions are here. If you are yet to fill your KYC, you can also input all your KYC details here. So let's quickly change our email. You click on it, it will request for you to input your new email here. Once you put your new email, you confirm the new email, an OTP will be sent to your existing email, like the email you previously used. An OTP will be sent to the email. Once you confirm the OTP, then you can click on send request here, so the email will be changed. That's how to go about that. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button so you can be notified when I post my next video. Thank you.